Apologies, gentlemen and ladies, for taking a bit of your time.
You said the chief was going to be with us very soon. So where is he?
Yes. It's not going to be here in this meeting present. Possibly it will be very slim.
Why?
The chief does not want to be disturbed. Yes.
Excuse me. What is the name of this? I knew it. I knew it that this periwinkle, this alligator pepper crew, family domestic. Shut the fuck up, he's still talking. I'm sorry, I'm not going to teach you how to do it. What have you seen that? Sit down! Sit down! What have you seen that? Okay, but can you just respect sit down? Shut the fuck up! He's still quiet! I'm sitting. And sit down. It's okay. He said you should sit down. Sit down! Now! You're tell me that I'm going to sit down! Stop shouting now! Stop shouting! He had you! I will not have any of you disrespect me again! No way! Yes! Don't try me again! Good. Well, if any of you tries to disrespect me, I will deal with that person mercilessly. Do you people understand me? Doctor, you said that Njemanze gave you a work for us. Can we have it, please?
The chief doesn't want to be disturbed. So
Did he give you one? Yes or no? That is what we want. What is the meaning of all this?
yes.
Good, and then go ahead. Let us know.
Well, he disclosed to me that as regards to the previous meeting you people held, that everything should put on hold until his recovery or death.
Oh, so upon his death, who did he appoint to be his successor?
Upon his what?
He's dead.
You guys are not okay mentally. Are you okay?
I wonder.
Is that the only thing you heard? You only heard dead.
But he said it.
Are you people praying for my father to die? Is that what this meeting is all about?
Well, as the oldest member of this family, and the one who single-handedly saw Njemanze through his school, I order you to speak. And with my own academic pyramid, as the immediate and the younger brother, who has a lot of potential upstairs, I am commanding you to speak, or you speak inside your bed. Yes.
Well, as his legal wife,
Excuse me.
you heard me, who's been with him through thick and thin, even when we came knocking on your doors, you scorned and stayed away. As the one who has sacrificed everything for the man who lies in there, Dr. Cletus, I command you to hold your peace.
Now you listen. My husband's desire must be respected in that our life, whether you like it or not.
It is a lie. Mirabel, it is a lie. First, you did not knock on my door, neither did you knock in this door, neither did you knock in Ojuku's door. You were knocking in the land of ghosts. What is the meaning of this?
Are you alright?
What faith do you have?
He's not to talk now.
Are you alright? Give me, let me turn this place into what it is. Give me, Father, let me turn this place into what?
Shut up! Shut up! I said shut up! Shut up and sit down! Shut up!
Sit down, be quiet. Sit down. I should leave them.
Listen.
Okay.
As a medical pilot and sole caregiver of this great family of Chief Njemanze, I am bound by the promise I made to Chief and the oath I took as a medical practitioner.
Excuse me.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Doctor.
The ostrich answer.
I expect you to tell me and keep quiet. Can you just keep quiet and respect your old age? Can you keep quiet and respect your
My brother Jamanze didn't say until his death. He said until he recovers or dies. Then Dr. Cletus can make the announcement.
What is the difference?
The way you sounded. You sounded as if though you were more minded of him dying than him recovering.
Is that not the shortcut?
What shortcut? My brother is not dead yet.
But we can make it happen.
Alice, are you going, Nene?
I'm only trying to help.
What kind of irrationality is that? How can you advise me to kill my brother over possession of what he already put me over?
Don't be too sure, my husband. Sometimes you don't think. If your brother had put you over everything. Okay, have you asked yourself why he has not made the announcement long before now? Because he knows you are wasteful. He doesn't want you to be in charge.
How could you say, my brother, I don't understand.
Relax, that's not all. Your brother wants Diobi to be in charge. Despite the fact that the recent happenings clearly fights against his decision. You and I know that if you and Diobi were to be displayed as an object to choose, your brother will clearly choose Diobi over you 1,000 times. Despite the fact that Diobi is not his biological son.
Alice, are you trying to say that my brother hates me?
My husband, your brother doesn't hate you. You know it. You are not just fitting to replace him. And that's the simple truth. Now we have an advantage.
What advantage?
You are his blood brother. The next most educated in the family.
That's right.
But as long as Chief is alive, he will never look your way.
And so?
And so, as soon as Chief is dead, all eyes will begin to look your way.
Then let us wait until my brother dies the natural way.
Stop building castle in the air. You and I know that the supposed ill health of Chief Njamanze is a ploy between him and Dr. Cletus. Yes. Your brother Chief Njamanze is not dying anytime soon. Open your eyes.
You are reckless. You are greedy. You are reckless. You are greedy. You are reckless. You are greedy.
What is Papa's plan about becoming the MD in Chief's company?
My daughter, you know your father is a weakling. He doesn't have any plan.
He doesn't have a plan? Then he should take the advice you gave him last night.
You were actually listening?
I was not, Mama. But I heard everything you told him.
What is the difference then? So I was talking to your father. Instead of you to be sleeping, you are eavesdropping. Don't you know that
Mama, relax. Calm down. If I did not eavesdrop, how would I have come up with this supporting plan?
Supporting plan? What supporting plan?
Nina, you know Rachel and I used to be friends before this whole saga. I want to rekindle that friendship.
And how does your friendship or enmity with Rachel help anything?
I want to make up with her. And once I've made up with her, our friendship will be a door opener for me to enter their home. And when I get in there, I will make them believe that I am on their side and not in support of whatever it is Papa is doing. With that, I will buy their hearts. And once I've bought their hearts, I'll kick off with my plan.
So what is the plan?
Poison Chief.
Eh?
That is my assignment.
Are you daft? Eh? Don't you know that with you around, if Chief's death is ever traced to food poison, which I definitely know that foolish Dr. Cletus will, all fingers will be pointing at you, the outsider. Don't you know?
Mama, don't worry. I have everything planned out so well. Not even a fly will suspect me.
Are you sure?
Trust me, Mama. Or don't you trust me?
You are the lady, you are reckless. Omarapa Juden Kenya, you're not drunken. You are the lady, you are reckless.
Yes, of course, I trust you, Chief, but I do not think this is the best option.
Doctor, these are my people, and I know them better than you do. Let them wait while I think of a better solution to this matter.
We've been keeping everyone waiting for some time now.
Let them wait more.
But Chief, what are your fears?
My fear is that, you know Ikuku, my younger brother, you know him, you know his tendencies. If I put him in charge of my companies, it means all I've labored for in life will go down the drain in months. If I pronounce Joby my son, my successor, they will kill him. And besides, my tradition forbids it.
This is difficult. Are you sure there's going to be a way out?
Doctor, I don't know yet. But you can tell them I'm not yet in the right state of health to handle issues like this.
You know, in the end, it's my neck that will be sticking out for slaughter.
But you are fit for the job. Okay? I will reward you handsomely when the shifts are down.
She's innocent to know. Why do you want to wicked her? You just want to disgrace her.
I saw you're going.
Yes, I'm rushing back to the hospital. From there, I'll hit home, then freshen up. Yes, I'll see Chief later this evening or tomorrow morning.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. Take what I said seriously. On no account should anyone be allowed to see Chief. Please.
No one?
No one. In fact, not even his brothers, especially his brothers. Okay?
Noted.
Okay, all right, thank you very much.
Okay,
Appreciate it.
bye-bye. Thank you.
beautiful.
And this has just been how many years now? 4 years?
No, 6. Because I finished school about 4 years ago, and I'm nursing for 2 years now.
Wow.
Good, man.
Okay,
All right, darling, welcome. Oh, please, I hear you. Sweetie, how are you? Oh my God, I'm so excited. So how are you doing?
Hey. You know you're tired. Almost all the time you got here.
Yes, babe. I'm trying to finish up a report.
Okay, Rachel said to tell you that the food is ready.
Oh, don't worry. Just go down, okay? We'll join you shortly. I just need to finish up with this.
What's this? You walking?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. All right. Take time. Round up. Okay?
Okay.
Just round off, huh?
Oh wow, I must say I enjoyed the food. You know, like I miss homemade delicacy. I swear.
You know what's up with Rachel and kitchen duties?
Oh, please. I'm the number one, the champion.
I know, right?
I beg you.
By the way, what about Chief and Mom? Where are they?
Mom is fine. Chief is fine. Just that he's not been feeling too well for some time now.
Oh my God. How is he? Can I go see them?
Not now. The doctor said he should be, alone, like private, kind of.
Is it that serious?
Not really. Just that he's under a very intensive care.
Yeah.
But the doctor said he will be fine. It's getting better.
And what about Mom? Is she also under an intensive care as well?
Oh, come on, stop being sarcastic.
Am I? I only asked a very simple question.
That's sarcasm. Mom is fine. She went out.
Yeah, you stepped out.
Nobody died. I don't know why we're moody. So what's up? Gist me. What's next?
For God's sake, how many times do I need to tell you to forget about this matter? Mom is fine. Dad is a little unwell, but the doctor assured that in a little while he's gonna be fine.
I want to see your mother, Tiobi.
What?
Tiobi, what do you take me for? A fool? I went to that room to see your father, whom I haven't seen since 2 days I got back, and guess what? The doctor refused me entrance. What's that supposed to mean? What is going on? What are you all hiding from me?
Babe, what could we possibly be hiding from you? You're also a member of this family.
Tiobi, what are you and your siblings hiding from me? Talk to me.
Talk to you about what? I just told you.
Really?
Yeah. I just told you the whole truth.
Okay, fine. I'm done.
What?
I'm done with this whole thing.
What?
You heard me. I mean, I need to go see my parents. I haven't seen them since I got back, right?
But babe, we talked about it and we agreed to see them by weekend.
Yes, but I can't do this. I can't keep living in lies. You have my number. When you are ready to tell me the truth, call me. Excuse me.
Babe, come on. Babe, you need to take a chill pill.
So that's what has been happening. My father is very sick now. And my mother doesn't even stay in the same room with him anymore.
But is she still in that compound?
Yes. My father doesn't want any of us to leave. He said we should stay till he decides on what to do.
Did your mother say this whole thing is true?
She said she doesn't know anything about it.
This is sad. This is so sad. But Tiobi should have told me.
You don't have to blame him. You know, maybe he didn't tell you because he doesn't know how you're going to react to it. You know, this is a very serious issue, and sometimes it's even hard for me to be saying it.
I understand. But, does your DNA, Diobi's and Rachel's DNA matches with that of your mom?
Yes, it does.
Oh. Then there can only be one explanation for that.
That my mother lied, right? That she cheated.
No.
So what's the other explanation?
Diamond, you're welcome. I'm so happy to see you after such a long time.
Likewise.
Godson told me that his brother didn't want you to know about what happened.
Yeah. I guess he didn't know how I was going to take it. But I totally understand. Mother, I am so sorry. I am so sorry.
This is what I found myself doing. I'm now labeled a cheat. Everyone said that I cheated on my husband. I have never thought about anything like that. Not to talk of doing it.
It's okay. It's okay. You just have to relax, okay? Just take it easy, please.
I want you to tell me the truth. You're a nurse. Please, just don't hide anything from me. How possible is it that I've never cheated on my husband before, and none of his children has history here?
I honestly don't know. I'm sorry. Please, you have to relax and take it easy. Everything is going to be fine.
Still staring me at that. I'm just pretending to be existing.
It's okay. It's okay.
You are reckless, Omaraba Judekenya, not drunken no good. You are greedy, you are reckless, Omaraba Judekenya, not drunken no good. You are greedy, you are reckless, Omaraba Judekenya, not drunken no good. You are greedy, you are reckless, Omaraba Judekenya, not drunken no good. Onyanyuku enviness bugogi, wicked and greedy people everywhere, self-centered people everywhere. They love luxurious life without suffering. They love lavishing things without...
Amanda, what are you doing here?
Don't be like that, Rachel.
Don't be like what? What are you doing here?
Rachel, apart from you and I being cousins, remember we used to be best friends. We shared a lot in common. We were very close. Remember, please flashback.
No, I don't need to flashback because I remember everything. I don't need to flashback to remember everything we were. That was then. We are no longer. So, like I said, what do you want? Because I have something important doing inside before you brought yourself here. How can I help you?
I came to see my best friend. You know, it's been a while and I miss you so much.
You what? Talk now, you what?
Rachel, let her just
Will you shut that thing you call him out? Please. Are you having a seizure? Open your mouth and talk now. You what? Auntie, I'm waiting for you to say something. Well, as I can remember, I don't remember me telling anyone that I'm looking for friends. No, neither did I put out a sign saying I'm looking for a friend. Even though, if I am looking for a friend, it won't be you. So like I said, what do you want? Because if you don't have anything important to say, please, before I close my eyes and open it, just get out of this compound. Please, just... What are you doing?
Please.
What are you doing?
Don't be like this. I'm sorry.
You know you're being dramatic right now. You know, right?
Rachel, please, hear her out. She might be truly sorry.
Oh, really? And so?
If she's truly remorseful, then forgive her.
My friend, will you shut up? You know your opinion has never counted. It has never mattered. So please, pocket it in your back pocket. And shut up! That's how they deceive gullible people like you. Can't you see that this girl is a chameleon? She came here on him. You think I don't know your plans? You think I don't know what you came here to do? You think I don't know what you came here to do? My friend, before I open my eyes, just get out of this compound now.
Rachel, I'm sorry.
Auntie, stand up.
Remember how close
Can
we
you
were?
just stand up and get out?
Sorry, please.
Rachel.
What am I supposed to do with your sorry? No. What am I supposed to do with your sorry? I said get... Hey, Uncle, tell your cousin to get out.
Amanda.
I'll beat you. I'll beat you like a child. Get out of this compound. Are you mad?
Don't worry, I'll talk to her.
You think you come here and act drama for me and I'll just fall for you. My friend, get out. Hey, don't tell me to calm down. You collect the slap yourself. Dummy. Auntie, when you get out, close that gate. My friend, go and tell your friend, your sister to get out.
You're not drunk and no good. You are the lady. You are reckless. Omar about you, then you're not drunk and no good. Onyanyuku, enviness, bugogi. Wicked and greedy people everywhere. Self-centered people everywhere. They love luxurious life without suffering. They love lavishing things without thinking. Famaro manja bomo, manja. Obi diwa fanja, obi fere fanansu. They can do you anything. People obstacle on yellow fire.
You're not looking happy. How did it go? Huh?
Mama, it didn't go well.
How do you mean?
It was as if Rachel foresaw my plans.
Are you serious?
Yes. That stupid girl insulted me. She insulted the living daylight out of me and sent me out of the compound afterwards.
Ewo. Rachel did what? Sent you out of the house. Hi.
I have never been this humiliated all my life. The way that girl humiliated me today.
My daughter, don't worry. I know exactly what to do. They think they are smart. Don't worry yourself. I know what to do. Yes. I know what to do.
Mama, whatever it is you want to do not step your foot into that compound. To avoid embarrassment.
Don't worry yourself. My own kind of war are fought without showing up in the battlefield. I know how to handle it. Don't worry yourself. You know what I'm saying.
You are reckless, Omar you are greedy. You are reckless, Omar Onyanyuku, enviness, bugogi. Wicked and greedy people everywhere. Self-centered people everywhere. They love luxurious life without suffering. They love lavishing things without thinking. Famaro manja bomo, manja. Obi dikwa fanja, obi fere fanansu. They can do you anything. Me pull obstacle on your fire. You are greedy. You are reckless.
You don't look happy. What is it?
No, I'm not happy. What? I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy.
What is it? Is it a problem between you and your husband?
No, it's a problem between you and I.
Oh, well. You mean both of us?
Yes, both of us.
Tell me, what have I done?
Nai, I've always admired you for being very courageous and strong-willed. But lately, you are like my weak and failed water-leaf husband. What is happening?
Alice, I still don't understand what you're talking about. Talk to me, tell me, what is it?
It's about your younger brother, Njamanze. Nai. Ojukwu, that I used to know, would have made chief appoint my husband as the new MD of the company. Oginisi, I don't understand what is happening again.
If you have asked your husband, he will tell you that I've been trying my own very best. Has he not been talking to you?
He has, Nai. But I think you are not doing your best. I know you. I trust you and I know what you can do. Huh?
You know how stubborn Njamanze can be sometimes. And I know fully well that he wants to hand over all his inheritance to that boy, that duke, that bastard of his. But don't worry. That will never happen as long as I'm alive. It will not happen.
Nai, I have just one question to ask.
Yes.
You said it will not happen as long as you are still alive.
Uncle.
Do you have a plan to back it up? Because if you don't, I am here to tell you that if it will happen, whether you are still alive or dead, do you have a plan?
As at this moment, I must be honest, I don't have any plan, but I intend to...
You intend to do what?
Think and come up with something. I intend to think and come up with something.
Don't worry yourself. I have a plan. Don't stress yourself again.
You mean it?
Yes, I have a plan.
Okay, you can tell me.
Nai, let this be between you and I. My husband or anyone else must not know about this.
Yes.
Eh? Promise?
I promise.
I've been to talk to you about something.
Listen, I'm going to see.
To see Diamond. Both of you are going to somewhere.
Look, bro, I know all that.
So, you've been talking to Diamond?
Yes. You know, she's my friend.
So what is it? What is it? What do you want to talk about?
You still haven't made up with Mother. Come on, what if she's innocent of all this?
You see, this is why Rachel thinks you talk and act like a fool. Like, I don't understand. Why is everyone trying to pity her betrayal attitude and making excuses for it? That is what I don't understand.
Dude, what are you saying?
Like, why?
Come on, Joby. That woman has suffered so much humiliation and scorn in the past 1 month, more than anybody can suffer in their lifetime. All she wants is for someone to believe and stick by her. That's all.
Well, that someone will never be me. Why? Why? Because if I have a wife who did such a thing, that woman will not waste 1 minute in my house.
And that is why you can never be father. You can never replace father in anything.
Well, if encouraging a cheating wife and making excuses for her means being like father, then I can never be like him. Okay? I can never be like him. Okay, that was rude.
Mr. Man, are you sure what you just told all of us?
Ichie, a man of my age cannot travel from my village to this far just to stand before you and joke or say things that are not true.
What's going on here?
Mr. Man, please, can you introduce yourself and repeat what you just told us?
Okay.
My name is Arinze Chikelue. I'm from Obiagu village. Many years ago, when I was much younger, Mirabel, chief's wife, used to visit Obiagu, especially on the market days. She used to buy from me as my customer. At the time, we became close, even started having affairs till she got pregnant. She knew I was married, but she didn't tell me she was married till she had her third child. She said she didn't want me to have access to the children. My children, look at them, look at this one, look at them. Can't you see they look like me?
Excuse me. You mean you were getting her pregnant without knowing where and how the children were?
Don't interrupt him again.
Yes.
Mr. Chikelwe, can you go ahead? This question will come later, not now.
So I did not come for the children that time because it was...
We had no issues in our family. We were one big, happy family. But because you heard that we're having issues in our family, now you want to take advantage of that problem. You want to add to that problem so that you can take full advantage of it. Who else is seeing that this man is a bloody liar? Or am I the only one seeing it?
Don't truncate this meeting. Don't you ever truncate this meeting, else I throw you out of this meeting. I hope this is clear.
So she gave me a lot of money and told me she doesn't want anybody.
But hold on, just 1 minute. Why didn't you show your face since then? Why now?
I have fought it. Yes, I have fought it for over 30 years and I couldn't bear it anymore. So I decided to let it out, let everybody hear and know the truth.
What truth? You bloody liar. So you think you can come into our house and claim to be our father? Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
Stop insulting your father in my presence. Shut up.
Richard, please go and fetch Mirabel now. I want her here now.
First thing first, Uncle Dike, with all due respect, this thing here, whatever you call him, is not my father, neither is he the father of any of my siblings. And Uncle Ojukwu, my mother is not at home. So when you are done with this drama, with whatever you call this man or wherever you picked him up from, please throw him back there and all of you excuse yourself from my father's house. Nonsense.
Mr. Chike, you've had all you told me. You will go home and come back in 2 days' time.
Thank you, Ichie. I will come back in 2 days' time, as you requested. Thank you, Ichie. That way. Yes, follow that way. Yeah, that's the door. Good. So, you see, this thing is as...
Diobi, you need to calm down. Some strange guy can just walk in here and say some nasty thing and you allow it to get on the edge.
Did you hear what that man said?
I heard everything. But I can't be that gullible to buy that crap he just sold to you all.
You mean I'm gullible? You know what? I really don't blame you. Alright? Because you have not been around to share in this depression and moral humiliation that this whole discovery has put my siblings and I. That's why you look at me and call me gullible.
Listen, I didn't mean it that way. I am sorry.
So now, finally, the truth has been revealed.
My dear,
Hey.
I couldn't believe my earlobes waiting at the receiving side. You needed to witness the kind of pin drop silence that came on us when the man was doing his analytical inside of the summation.
Mirabel. I've always knew it. I knew it that woman wasn't what she painted herself to be before everyone. Mirabel is a chameleon. So she has been cheating and have 3 children from Jamanze. Hey, I can't believe it.
What can you not believe? Did you hear what I said at all?
Naya was flabbergasted. Eh? So my husband, what has been decided now? I hope she will quietly and peacefully live with her bastard children so that we can take what rightfully belongs to us.
Nothing has been decided yet.
Why? What are you still waiting for?
Relax. We asked him to come back when...
Njamanze, get back on his feet. Nani, you know how your brother normally does his things sometimes.
Not him. It's Mirabel. She wasn't in when the man was making his confession.
Mirabel, kiere megi no wa, kiere megi o, magi mando tugi o, kiere megi.
Mama. Hey, this one you are this happy today. What's the good news?
You are asking why I am happy. Eh? You are asking me why I am happy. Am I supposed to be sad and stay sad because you failed me? Nonsense.
Mama, why are you like this? How can you be attacking me for no just reason? What did I do wrong?
Because you disappointed my hope in you. That is what you did wrong. What if those bastards' father didn't emerge to take off this burden from our shoulders? Huh?
What bastard's father? I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Diobi, Rachel, and Godson's real father came to Njamaze's house and revealed himself to everyone.
Hey, this is good news! This is good news!
What?
Mama, how true is this? And how sure are you all that this is not just another frame-up?
What do you mean another frame-up? Eh? What do you mean another frame-up, Nwa? Are you a killjoy? You better get out of my sight. If you are here to make my happiness short-lived, get out. Pocha!
Mama, I don't just know. But unlike me, I don't feel happy about this news. It doesn't just seem real to me.
You are very, very stupid. Who cares about what you feel? Huh? Ihere megi magi mando to go.
Mirabel, we all here have been waiting patiently for you to say something. So this is the man that got you pregnant and you don't want to say anything. Ewa?
Nine. What do you want me to say? You all have already tagged me an infidel. You brought in someone I've never set my eyes on all my life. What do you expect a helpless woman like me to say? What? Of what use would it be that I even try to speak or defend myself?
Hey. Woman, do not even attempt any emotional game here. Tell us what we want to hear.
What do you want my mother to say? What do you want her to say? Who brought this man here in the first place?
Keep quiet. You just heard what he said. What are you trying to mean by that? You saw the poem. You think we can do something? No.
Dr. Cletus.
Yes.
You see what is happening?
So, Chief, what are we going to do now? You know, if you don't go out there, things may get out of hand.
You mean I should go out there?
Exactly. That is what I want you to do.
No, you should be the one to go out there.
Me, Chief.
What? Okay. Better still, don't do it the usual way. Don't tell them I sent you. Just go there, whatever the man says. Just tell them what Chief said still stands. So, just tell them once Chief is recovered, that what the man said will be tested and proven before it will be given acceptance.
Chief, I don't think this is a good idea. These are your people. Why don't you go out there, confront them, and end this matter once and for all? Let's end the game.
Dr. Cletus, I don't want this decision in haste. Yes, let's not be hasty in taking the decision. That's what I don't want.
I have something to say.
Oh, go ahead, my son.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Chikelu, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. You said you had an affair with my mother many, many years ago, and we all are the product of that affair. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then again, you said you have other children aside us, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I have just two questions for you. The first is, if you claim to be our father, How old am I? How old is my sister? And how old is my brother? Just hold on. Don't be in a hurry. Okay? Then secondly, if you have other children, why are they not here with you? Are they not supposed to be here? I mean, to meet their supposed siblings.
I don't think it is necessary.
Necessary. I get it. Because you think there is squabble going on in the family at the moment. That's why you think you can just use that opportunity to walk in here to claim to be our father.
No,
it's
what? Stop! How dare you ask him such a question? How is he supposed...
No, don't say that. Don't interrupt me, please. He's supposed to know. He claims to be our father.
How old are your kids?
Exactly.
Like,
how
kids,
old?
right?
Because you
How
know.
old are we?
You know. Don't say that.
I am the one chairing this meeting and not you.
That's right.
I have the absolute right to halt or allow anybody to speak.
Allow him to talk. He claims to be our father. Let him talk. As a matter of fact,
we are having a family tete. The very organic sense of your brain is dead. Nothing but that.
Again, this sounds to me like a family squabble, not a meeting. Plus, we still have a standing order from Chief Njamaze himself. And that automatically imposes every other ad hoc or contingent meeting in the interim. And it remains so until either of the laid down conditions are duly certified. This meeting is over.
This meeting is not over unless you want me to reverse the Third World Warfare and induce POW without OW. I am an academic warlord and a war veteran. Yes, that's who I am.
Can somebody help me to throw this?
Why are
domestic servant out here? If you all do not behave yourself,
What are you still doing here?
I'm going to call the police to arrest this Bonita described.
Please, they should just call the police. Somebody should just call.
Don't move an inch. You are the one that is manifesting the
We believe you. We believe you.
God knows that I've never set my eyes on that man before. Believe me.
Mommy,
I don't know who is doing this. See, someone is trying to tear my family apart.
Mom, it's okay. It's okay.
What have I done?
It's okay. Come on. Like Rachel said, we believe you and that's all that matters.
But I feel I'm losing my family already.
Mommy, listen. I have a feeling that this will come to an end very soon. All this will amount to victory. Okay? You know when it's getting tough, that's when it's getting better. Okay?
Mom, please stop crying.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, God.
It's okay, Mommy. It's okay.
Mommy, it's okay, please. Okay? See, there's a bad news though. Rachel.
What bad news? What bad news?
Mom, you're overreacting. Stop now.
Is Joby alright?
It's okay, Mom, stop.
Overheard Uncle Ikoku, DK and Ojuko come to a consensus.
What consensus? What consensus?
Now, I am honestly not happy about the way things went at that meeting. I could not have had you in that meeting and things still went that way. That was not our plan.
Yes, that was not our plan. But as you can see, things have gone beyond my control. That doctor of a man almost called the police on us.
This is arrant nonsense. Yes! Ojuku, look at what you are saying. You are sounding like my husband. Look at you.
How am I sounding?
Stupid, afraid, foolish.
Enough, woman. Go home and rest. Tomorrow is another day.
Which tomorrow? Which tomorrow? I heard you halted the meeting until Njamanze is back on his feet. And you are here telling me tomorrow. Which tomorrow? Eh?
Alice, I've had you up to here. I say go home before I do something stupid.
You are the lady, you are reckless. Omarapa Juden Kenya, you're not drunken no good. You are the lady, you are reckless. Omarapa Juden Kenya.
Is it me you are talking to like that? Are you out of your senses? Are you mad? If I slap you.
Try it. No, try it now. Slap her. What is going on here? Why can't I have rest of mind?
Look, excuse me, you don't have the balls to do this.
You must be very stupid.
Is it my
Control your family. Control. If you must be in this house, control your family, or I will throw you guys out of this house. Are you people mad?
Whose family?
Why can't I have rest of mind in my own house?
The first son of Njamanze is talking. Look at them.
Pity.
Who's first son?
I won't warn you again. Put your dogs on a leash. Put your dogs on a leash. I'm warning you.
Look at this bastard. Huh?
Your generation is bastard.
Oh, if you don't know that you are a bastard.
Your generation is a bastard.
Your entire family like a bastard.
You
are a bastard. You and your daughter, you are.
Put your dogs on a leash. I won't warn you again.
Family.
What the hell is going on here? What's going on here?
No, try
Put your dogs on a leash.
You are bastard. You want to sit on my mother? Can you imagine this idiot? She wanted to sit on my mother's seat and have a meal.
For what?
Go to a place. You don't